Hello everyone, this is Kraus by Alona and today we are going to make 3 Easter cards. Some of the craft supplies that I'm going to use is these stickers and this wooden chipboard bunnies, which I'm going to paint with acrylic paint and use some glitter on them. First of all, I'm going to prepare 3 card bases. I'm going to cut white cardstock 10 inches by 7 inches. The size of my cards will be 7 inches by 5 inches, so I will be folding them in the middle. Score my cards in the middle, and I'm going to do it on the side that has pattern, so I'm scoring at the mark of 5 inches, and when you score it on the pattern size, it will prevent ripping paper when you will be folding it. So you can see it has this texture. Don't push too hard when you are scoring your card, because it can rip the paper as well. Now my card bases are ready and I'm going to decorate my bunnies. I'm going to paint them with white acrylic paint, so they are ready by the time when I need to use them for decorations. So I prepared 3 pieces of paper 7 by 5 inches for every card. Let's make the first card. I'm going to cover this bunny with glossy accent first, and then I will apply glitter. First card is almost ready. I only need to add glue and stick it to an actual card base. My second card is going to be purple. My third card is going to be yellow as well, and here I am creating a nest in the middle of the card. Now all 3 cards are ready, and I just need to glue them to the card bases. I hope you enjoy my tutorial and it gave you some ideas on how to make your own Easter cards. If you have any questions, you can ask them in comments. I will try to answer everyone. Thank you for your attention and happy Easter!